Being the change that changes everything takes more than one of us.
More than some of us.
More than a lot of us.
It takes all of us.
But what does that look like?
It means that we check our egos at the door, we come together for the greater good, and we work towards a common goal.
Sharing of ideas and resources to achieve incremental results.
Communicating clearly. Going beyond your comfort zone.
Our community is a better place when we bring together people with diverse opinions and skills around an important issue.
Collaboration looks like a giant puzzle. Puzzles take every piece to create the whole. Each of us brings to the puzzle that piece that our community needs, or a family needs, or an individual needs, and we put them together and we form a service or a program or something that is greater than the sum of its parts, and it helps the people that we serve.
Collaboration is one of those 5-syllable big words that's really simple when you boil down to it. It simply means working together to find ways to have results that benefit the most.
With true collaboration, there are no winners and losers, only winners.
Only together is the future we wish to see possible.
Together, we will make a big impact for our community.
Together we will amplify each other's results.
Together we will help our communities thrive.
Together we will create safety and peace in our relationships.
Together we will build a community that is open to diverse talent, that allows for people's voices to be heard.
Together we will find better solutions that would benefit the people in our community that need us the most.
Together, we will make our community stronger.
Together, we will do more.
Together, we will unleash the power of collaboration to strengthen our nonprofits and the communities in which we serve.
Together, we will.